Hey everyone, welcome back. Um, Sorry for not posting videos. I've just been quite busy with work. Built a new gaming PC and things like that, so I've been quite busy. But I just wanted to make a video regards an error I ran into when trying to build my gaming PC because I wanted to put Docker Desktop, and I'm now on Windows. I used to be on Linux before, and I ran into this issue. Uh, this WSL failing issue. And when I kind of did the usual Google searches and I used some LLMs and things like that, I really couldn't solve the problem because everybody said you need to just update WSL, but it just would not work. The only thing that worked for me is you got to go into the BIOS and change the change the BIOS settings to allow for virtual machines, I believe it is. But this is what I did. So if you hit the WSL error for Docker when it doesn't load, it's probably because of the hypervisor or virtual machine settings, and you kind of have to adjust that. So I've got Asus motherboard, and kind of if you go into the advanced options down here, you get this CPU information, or actually go to advanced under CPU configuration. You see down here SVM mode. Make sure that's enabled, because I think, according to me, if that's not enabled, the WSL cannot start. Because for me, I tried all the solutions. That was the only one that actually worked. So when I tick that to enabled, then Docker then started to work. So yeah, if you have that, just check. So if I exit now, save, exit. Yeah, so as you can see, that kind of fixed the issue. And now when I go into, I think I've already got it running. If I now go into Docker Desktop, as you can see, I don't hit any WSL issues. Everything seems to be working. So yeah, I've got my images here, my volumes, all of that seems to be running fine. And I really love Docker Desktop because you can actually what you can do is if you run, and then you can actually sort of go into an interactive terminal. And in this case, it's Python 3.13, and you can kind of then do ls and things like that, and just interact with it as if it was on your own machine. So that's what I love with Docker Desktop. They do make a lot of the stuff that you would have to kind of know all the commands for. They make it really easy. So that's this little thing. If you run into this issue with WSL not starting, try what I just showed you in the video, and that should kind of help, I think. But yeah, thanks for watching. I think in my next one I'm going to try and build a model context protocol server. Yeah, thanks for watching.